Hello everyone. Today we're talking about requests, opinions, and directions. Where is the nearest bank from our book left off? Let's start with reading, then answer some questions. So I'm going to read, then we can answer questions after reading. So let's start. Visitors to cities often do not know where places are and ask questions like, "Excuse me, where is the nearest bank?" Or "Please, could you tell me where the hospital is?" There are two general ways to give directions. You can describe what people will see in a particular direction. You can also use words like north, straight, left, and this way to describe how to go to get to a place. Give clear and easy to follow directions. For example, say turn left on this street at the school, then go straight on for a kilometer until the park. A street name, a building, or a shop help visitors to know which turning to take. You can add the campus direction as well. Turn left at the traffic lights into Foster Road, then go east. Tell the person how far they need to go. You can say how many streets to pass and also how long the journey will take. For example, walk for 2 minutes and pass 2 roads on your right before you turn left. When you have finished telling a visitor how to get to a place, ask him or her to repeat what you have said so you know that the visitor has understood the route. Ask the person to face where he or she wants to go. Then use your hand to point to the directions. You can also draw a simple map if you have a paper and pencil. Both these things help people to understand directions. So the whole paragraph is about how describe or tell people about directions in your city, for example, okay? Write the letter for each paragraph in the box next to the correct title. So we have 7 paragraphs. I just want you to put the name or the first letter of the paragraph next to the sentences. For example, number 1, give the simplest route. It's paragraph C. Number 2, check the directions. It's paragraph F. Number 3, say where to turn. D. 4, asking for directions. A. 5, other ways of helping. G. 6, 2 systems. B. And the last one, give the distance. It's E. Now I want you to tick true sentences and cross false sentences. For example, number 1, visitors sometimes do not know where places are in a city. True, of course, because they are just new to the city. Number 2, you should give directions in different ways. Of course, so you can help them to understand your way. 3, giving campus directions will not help visitors find places. Of course, it's not. It will help a lot. 4, information about distance may cause visitors to get lost. It's not true again. 5, it's good thing if a visitor can repeat your directions to you. Of course, it is helping them a lot. 6, pointing where to go won't help you to find a place more easily. Of course, it's not true. So the new vocabulary, we have clear, it means easy to understand. Distance is the length of the space between 2 points. General, it's affecting all or most people or things. Particular, used to single out an individual member of a specified group. Roundabout, it's a road junction at which traffic moves in one direction round a central island. Simple means easily to understood. System, a set of things working together. Turn, move in a circle direction wholly or partly around a point. Turning, a place where a road branches off from another. And visitor, a person visiting someone. Spell the words correctly. We have visitor, of course, there is no E, it's I. Turn, it's with you. Roundabout, excellent. Distance, perfect. And particular, excellent, it's with C, not K. I want you now to read and remember the directions. For example, number 1, use the present perfect sometimes. When you have gone up the hill, turn right. So this is how we use the present perfect in giving directions to someone. Number 2, join directions with before and after plus the verb plus ing. For example, after going up the hill, turn right. So these are two ways helping you to form sentences with directions. Match the directions with the phrases. We have here A, B, C, D, E, F, okay? And we have from 1 to 6. For example, go down the road. Is it A or B or C or D, E, F? Excellent, it's C. 2, the bank is opposite the school. B, perfect. 3, walk to the end of the road. E. 4, take the third turning. Excellent, it's A. 5, turn right at the roundabout. F. And number 6, go up the hill. Excellent, it's D. Now I want you to give directions to places from A to D, okay? So for example, you can say start from you are here. This is how you can start your sentences. Also, you can start with excuse me or a greeting like hello. 3, the conversation is formal and polite. And number 4, finish with thank you. So these are the way that you can start asking about directions. Now we have the summary. So we learned about reading, new vocabulary, and directions. Thank you for listening.